Hey everyone, how y'all doing? Got a couple unboxings for you. This one's obviously from Lynch Northwest. It's a pocket clip, so we'll get to that in a minute. This one's from REC, River's Edge Cutlery. First time I've ordered from them. They shipped it out real fast. Now USPS, I was tracking it, and it literally went all the way across New York State and all the way back across New York State, back to the middle. So I could have got this Saturday easily. But no, they screwed out, shipped it all over New York State, and I got it today. So I got both of them the same time. I ordered them the same time. But yeah, let's check this one out. I carried the Benchmade 940 Osborne today. First time I've carried it in, a little over a month and a week or so. But yeah, I'm really kind of excited to get into this. Like I said, I got this from River's Edge Cutlery. First time I've ordered. And it's wrapped up. Some stuff in here. Okay. Got a little invoice. And they signed it, thank you, that's cool. Got their card. So I don't know if you can scan that or not, but it's the card here on the back. You can pause or whatever to read this. That's cool. And a cool sticker. I like their sticker. So yeah, let's check it out. Oh, it's obviously a Spyderco. Now, this is something that's been on my radar for quite a long time. I've thought about getting it before, and other YouTube channels have been using this. Not this particular model, but it really got me interested in it. See that? Native 5 Blue FRN CPM Spy27. Made in USA. That was the price. Now, the Spy27 is a little more expensive than the S30V. It's more expensive than the M4. I almost got the Blade HQ exclusive, the Mint with the M4, but I decided to get the Spy27. So, actually got a Spyderco sticker. That's cool. You got their book. Tells a little bit about it. I'm not going to go through all this. And this, what is this? More on the Spy27. Try to get it, so if you want to read it, you can. It tells the chemical makeup of it all. Spy27's corrosion-resistant stainless steel containing a finely tuned recipe of carbon. All this stuff, I'm not even going to try to pronounce half of it. Outstanding performance. So anyways, there's all that. My understanding is the Spy27 is someplace around S30V, S35VN. Easier to sharpen, a little tougher, a little close to the same, comparable edge retention, maybe a little less. Yeah, it's kind of a small little knife. yeah, I do like this blue. I like this blue better than the translucent blue on my Manix 2. Backlock. Most people know what the Native 5 is all about. Well, that's smooth. Yeah. Nice. You can one hand open, one hand close. Nice and easy. I like that. Look at blade centering is dead center. Unlike my Para 3 lightweight. Yeah. Do some size comparisons with other Spydercos. There's a paramilitary 2, Para 3 lightweight. They're pretty close. Hand on the Para 3 is a little bit longer. Manix 2 lightweight. See, I like the blue. I definitely like this blue better than the translucent blue. So let's get these out of the way. I just give my son my Tenacious, so I can't use that. But against the Spyderco Urban, which is an awesome little EDC knife, slip joint, and 690 steel. Bigger than the Urban. I do a lot with this. The size being small, it's a capable little knife. So yeah, I can get almost 4 fingers on it back here. 3.5, choked up. Definitely all 4 finger full grip. Nice jimping up here. Awesome. Jimping down here. That's more of a like a 60-40 forward finger trail instead of like a 50-50. Like I should just leave these out. The Para 3 is more, actually don't look it, but it is. It's more even. Boy, I'm liking this already. Looking for something to cut. I'm not sure what this is from. Kind of waxy. Oh yeah, nice and smooth. Now a couple reasons why I haven't gotten this yet until now is I wasn't thrilled about backlock. But since I have carried my Buck 110 Sport, which is a backlock, and it's a way down on the end, and it's not a 2-hand close. I mean, it's not a 1-hand close. It's definitely a 2-hand close. Slow roller. And I got used to it, so I'm like, yeah, backlocks don't bother me now. And this is a mid-lock. And you can definitely close it one-handed easy enough. And that was one thing. Oh, the other thing, the pocket clip. This is, I think it's the same clip that's on the Tenacious. I don't like it. They work fine, but it's a small knife and you got that much sticking out. So that's why I got a Lynch clip. Let's open this up, check it out. I have a Lynch clip on my PM2, so it should be the same as this, satin finish. What do we got? There's the clip, here's some screws, there's a sticker, and there's a little thank you card. There's their information, IG account, website, email. I like their clips. If they have the right one in stock, you know, whatever model, you get them really fast. Yeah, these are some screws. Let's check the clip out. Made in USA sticker. And I didn't mention, this is made in Golden, Colorado, USA Earth. Another reason why I went with a Native 5 instead of like the Chaparral or whatever other ones for now. Yeah, that should be, it's actually a little smaller. I'm liking it. It's a little smaller across, a little smaller up here. Pretty much the same length. Yeah, I think that's going to make a world of difference. So, go on just like that. Look how deep, much more deeper it's going to be. That is from here, from right about here, all the way up to there. I think it's hard to do it with the clip-on. I think a little bit's going to be sticking out. So it's going to be super deep carry. See how that works. I'm actually, for the rest of today, I think I'll test this one out just a little bit. But I know I'm going to swap it. I think when I swap it, I'll do a video. Shouldn't be no issues with this one. This one you had to kind of get one in, turn it, get that top one in. See how it's kind of under the clip a little bit. This one looks like it's going to be a little bit easier. Not that that was hard or anything. But yeah, Native 5 lightweight, CPM SPY27, and there's tons of videos out there on Spy27. What 27 means, it's the number for cobalt, which this has in it. And they're calling this Cobalt Blue, the FRN. And I like this FRN. Feels better. I mean, it's the same plastic. I mean, same stuff, but the texturing's a little bit different. This is a little more aggressive than the Para 3 lightweight. This one's obviously compression lock. You can see a difference in the blade shape. Losing that hump. Also losing the little thumb ramp, which I like most of the time. Well, I like the shape of this. Flows really nice. Blade is nice. Got a swedge up on top, where the Para 3 and the PM2 don't. Neither does the Mannix. Yeah, you can see the size difference. It's a little more, shaped a little more like the Mannix. Mannix 2. This has a slight thumb ramp. Of course, this is the ball lock. But yeah, I got some notes. Tell you the sizes real quick. Overall length 6.95 inches. The blade is 2.95, so just under 3 inches. Edge length is 2.42, so a little less than 2.5 inch cutting edge. Blade thickness is 0.125. Full flat grind, you know, like the rest of them. Handle length is 4 inches. Handle thickness is almost ½ an inch. And yeah, it's about the same as the Mannix. Definitely, it's a little bit thicker than the Para 3. And of course, this has my card of scales, about the same thickness as that. Yeah, guess that's about it for this video. I'm liking this. I am liking this. Now they say it weighs about 2.45 ounces. Just curiosity on my scale. 2.4 compared to 2.9 compared to 2.4. It's the same weight as the Para 3, lightweight. This one, just for giggles, 3.6, lot different knife. But yeah, definitely I'll keep updates. Man, I almost cut myself. Alright, got some smuts on it from opening the clip. Yeah, I'll update you. I might do a quick video on the clip swap. And I'll definitely update you because I think I'm going to carry this for several days at least. But yeah, that's it. I guess, yeah, do the usual. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. And until next video, bye.